Hello YouTube. Gonna be a short video today. Just take a look at a couple customs I did and crack open a couple new cars I got that I wanted to crack open. So the first one is a Burgundy Skyline. Wanted to do a whole bunch of custom Burgundy cars for myself. Right now I left the factory tires on. I'll probably end up changing them, but it's screwed together now, so I didn't put the screws in it yet, but I'll be able to change out the tires whenever I want. But I didn't polish it yet. We'll focus. There we go. But I think the base turned out pretty good. You know, this casting has a plastic base, so next is a bone shaker. They put real riders on this. And this was supposed to be for the Burgundy car collection, which it still will be. But when I was spraying my last coat of clear, probably like the 5th or 6th coat, I accidentally picked up the Crayon gloss black, and I sprayed it on the roof, and I'm like, man, why is that so dark? I looked at the can and noticed that it was a Crayon black, which I used a Crayon clear coat, so the cans looked the same. They didn't have the caps on them. So I'm like, what the heck do I do now? So I just sprayed the top, and I think it turned out alright. So I'm probably going to leave it. Posted a picture on Instagram, and quite a few people told me to leave it the way it is. So I probably won't fix it, and I'll leave it like that. I still got to detail this and put headlights on the Skyline. And this one back here we're not really going to take a look at. I never did a weathering effect, and I went to Hobby Lobby today. I was going to get the weathering kit, and shout out to Heavy Metal 164. He said that they had all the diorama stuff on sale, but my Hobby Lobby didn't have nothing on sale or clearance. It was all the normal price. But the weathering kit's looks like a female's compact, I don't know, makeup thing. That's 3 different colors of like a powder with the applicator. And it was $12. I was picking up another storage thing, and only could use 1 coupon, so I figure I'll get that the next time I go, so I could use a 40% off coupon on it. So I got another Plano case storage thing. So let's crack open a few cars. The first one is a cool combi. I didn't have this one cracked open yet. I really like the blue on this. Decided to go ahead and crack all my cool combis. Oh, it's plain on one side. That's cool. So you can either display blue on that side, or with the graphics on it for the Beatles. Which I don't know what that thing is. That's pretty cool. Got headlights. Happy to add that to the loose collection. Next is a Toyota Land Cruiser, Johnny Lightning, limited to 4,900. So it's getting up there in the number. The Johnny Lightnings are limited to like 1,800 or less. Those are hard for me to open just because they're pretty limited. And Land Cruisers, I've been waiting for the right one. I didn't really care for the color of some of the other ones that came out. And I'm kind of regretting not picking up the muddy version when I could have. I probably still will pick up the muddy version of this. This is the first Land Cruiser I have in the collection, so I know they've released this a ton of times. Pretty nice. Nice detail under the hood. Quite a bit of detail under the hood. It is a real rubber tire on the back. It spins. And the last one I definitely had to have. It's a 1999 Chevy Silverado. So it looks just like the truck I drive. I have a 98 Chevy Silverado. And it's one of 2,500. It's a Racing Champs. I don't have a whole lot of Racing Champs in my collection. I think I only have a couple of them loose. But this one's a double whammy. It's a Chevy Silverado. And it's burgundy. So it can go in my Silverado collection or my burgundy car collection. Really nice detail on this. Detail actually looks a lot better in person. See if it has a Vortec V8. The hood looks like it. Oh, it does pop. And it's hard to see, but I think it might be. It's really hard to see in there. So I couldn't be happier to add that to the loose burgundy car collection. Really clear windows. Mine's blue. It's not burgundy, believe it or not. So Racing Champions, they did a really good job with this casting. Definitely going to pick up one of their dollies. I think it's a Ford dolly. So full detail all around. Beautiful paint on it. Well, thank you for joining me, taking a look at these really awesome cars. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and please leave comments. Thank you.